What do you do on a day like this? Thunder, rain, it's the perfect kind of day for Sashiko. Today I'm going to do a visible mending project on these jeans that's simple enough for beginners. This one area will be cut out completely. I'm using these circle templates and a heat erasable pen. The centre circle is like fussy cutting. Whatever is inside will be visible on the jeans, so I've chosen to frame this butterfly. Then I'm drawing a larger circle. This is just to cut around. Cut around this outer circle. On the jeans, I've already drawn a matching circle, and now I'm doing a smaller circle inside that. This gives me fabric to fold under. Cut out the inner circle. And clip to the outer circle. Put the butterfly in place. The circle on this fabric will help you position it correctly. Carefully fold under the denim edge. Using the circle I drew on the jeans helps to keep this curve nice and smooth. Now pin this edge in place. You'll probably need to use lots of pins for this. Because there's so many pins, I'm going to tack around this edge. I'm going to use smaller tacking stitches than I usually use because I want this line, this curve, to be nice and smooth. I'm taking the pins out as I go. Stick around, the Sashiko stitching is coming up soon and it adds a nice finish to this. With the pins gone, I'm now using an applique stitch to sew this fussy cut patch in place. Remove the tacking stitches now, it's extra threads that you don't need. Now for the fun part, the Sashiko. For the Sashiko pattern, I'm going to use this template. I'm sure this Japanese craft didn't originally have the benefit of these, but they're super useful. And I'm using this heat erasable pen to mark the design. This is the Sashiko thread that I'm using today. And of course I have my Sashiko thimble and needle. This is a quick and simple Sashiko pattern. And the thread is a more subtle colour because the butterfly is the feature. I really enjoy sewing Sashiko onto denim, even if it's a bit awkward with one hand inside the leg of the jeans. But you know, it's really satisfying to extend the life of your favourite clothes, and I really like the idea of sustainable fashion and making something really nice in the process. I even enjoy that sound of the thread pulling through the fabric. I actually started sharing Sashiko because I think it's a beautiful craft worth keeping alive. If you know someone who might enjoy it too, I'd be grateful if you pass this video along. It would be great to spread the word about Sashiko. You'll see I tested a white marking pen earlier. It looks really bright on camera, but it didn't actually show up while I was working. So that's why I used the pink coloured pen. It will iron off though at the end, no problem. I'll just cut off my thread here, and here's the finished design. I hope you enjoyed this project. Thanks so much for watching.